Oh! Let's explore heavy vehicles that have surprising feats in construction and transportation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any interesting content. Carson was doing his difficult job, cutting down a large dead ponderosa pine tree, which was leaning toward the canal. With experience and skill, he accurately assessed the direction of the tree's fall to ensure safety and efficiency. During the sawing process, when the tree falls, there is the rumbling sound of the trunk hitting the ground, accompanied the cracking sound of the branches. Carson was thoroughly prepared, removing the pine tree safely and effectively. Mulching Iris Deltrack to 0.5 is a powerful device, capable of destroying entire blackberry forests in the blink of an eye. Before I had this device, I would spend hours working hard with a brush cutter, drenched in sweat, but still not achieving the same results. Actually, it saves a lot of effort and time. Gantner BK to 5 long-distance cable car crane is a specialized, durable, and effective device for transporting heavy materials through difficult terrain. With high load capacity and with modern technology, the BK25 optimizes long-distance transport in forestry and construction, ensuring safety and outstanding performance. This driver's driving talent is remarkable. It's hard to believe that, while he maneuvered giant vehicle expertly and gracefully, many people still have difficulty maneuvering a small vehicle safely through simple curves. Wow, this is a living testament to the remarkable progress of modern transportation technology, allowing the seemingly impossible to become reality. The all-new Pacer 75-ton low loader, designed specifically for Seattle's heavy hauling duties, offer the perfect combination of strength, durability, and outstanding performance. Belgian company Matthew uses VarioMax Plus low floor trailer with excavator deck to transport crusher, weighing 68.5 tons. Looking at the way this car's rear moves is impressive. Are you impressed with this way of moving? We have started shipping some chemical equipment to the Azotara Pencap plant in Serbia. The biggest challenge is overcoming the switchbacks under the Chernobyl horse carriage saddle. Judge for yourself how difficult such jobs require drivers to have high skills to be able to handle situations as quickly as possible. The question is whether we should plant such tall trees when they can cause difficulties in mining and pose potential safety risks. Luckily, in this case, the man only suffered mild injuries. But this also reminds us of the importance of always being vigilant and well prepared at work. Oh my God! Tree cutting work becomes easier and safer thanks to modern machines, such as cot and automatic sawing systems. Safe felling technologies help reduce risks and ensure efficient working processes. Machines not only save time, but also help handle large trees accurately and safely. Man, what an extremely clever technique. Watch this emotional narrative explore from multiple perspectives. The decommissioned Genoa Station power plant. And witness dramatic moment when the 500-foot tall chimney slowly lowers and closes. Memorable industrial era. Crazy that a giant block of steel, weighing millions of pounds, can float so high above the water. And now, welcome to the sea. In the words of an expert captain, transporting giant turbines at night requires high precision and close coordination to ensure the safety of both the team and traffic participants.